What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm here with Aaron.
Hello guys.
I'm Jesse, as you hopefully know by now. What are we doing today?
Today we are going to show you guys what it's really like to drift an S15 Silvia. So this Silvia has had a couple goodies put on it from Jesse and I. We've welded the diff up. We've put a little bit of an angle kit called a roll center correction kit from GK Tech on it. Also, we have changed the turbo to make it make a little bit more power. I think around now it's pushing to around 240 or in the 230s area. We are also drifting with our mate Benny today. He's in a S13.
Drifting a 1 today, so he's got a 180 front and 13 rear.
We will see you guys when we meet up with everybody else. We have made it to the figure 8 wet pan. No issues with the cars on the way here. They've also got a car show here at the moment on the wet pan, which will show you through a couple of the cars and whatnot. Yeah, I got 25 minutes until we're on the track, where first runs out, and yeah, get excited. We'll show you guys what it's really like to drive an S15.
Depot on the beat.
We were getting reasonably close, but then we got pulled off early because someone decided to send it up a wall. I think he thought he was a Triton, but he was wrong. Back out on the next one, I guess.
Yeah. Going for another run, let's do it. Yeah, straight into it. That is left. Letting you know.
Alright, I'll head back down.
No. What happened to the car, Oscar?
Mate, hit the bank, flipped it. Bloke's fine, but car's not, if you can see that. Shit goes. Like, can you get everyone else back out there?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like that chunk of dirt there, he's come in and the rear's tapped that bang. He's rolled. But
yeah.
You know what? That's what happens in this sport.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Take the risk.
Yeah. You gotta be willing to take the risk.
Exactly.
Old bud just blew his diff. Can't move. Can't even push it. We'll show you guys what's happening there. The ute couldn't handle it, so I got the forklift out. That's pretty funny. What is it like to drift the 15? What's it like compared to other cars speed-wise?
So speed-wise, it's pretty good. Like you obviously got to keep it up there in the revs, like just above 4 grand roughly where the turbo kicks in. So you just got to keep it up in that
turbo area where the boost is creating. Compared to the cars that I'm driving with, the S13 and the 350, it's pretty close to the same speed, which is probably pushing more, but I think it's just because it's so slippery, it's hard to really have much difference in speed.
Which car is pushing more?
The S15 is pushing more than the S13, probably by a good 50 kilowatt or so. But just because it's wet, it's hard to find grip for everyone, so we're all pretty close to the same speed. But as the night goes on, we'll see if we're getting quicker, maybe lower the pressures again to gain more grip, but I don't know if it's going to do much at this stage. It's really wet.
What do you think of the reliability of the SRs? Like, what problems have you had with them?
That's a hit or miss. So with this car, we have had multiple problems. We've had the bottom end blow on us, we've had the turbo blow on us, I've had the rear subframe snap in half.
And the handbrake doesn't work.
Yeah, it works in the wet, or if we really sideways, the handbrake works. So we also did an R33 brake conversion on the car as well. Yeah. Obviously the last video, if you haven't seen that, go check that out. It was a good one, very similar to this, but we actually did have a big issue with the car at the end. The timing chain loosened up. That's all. I will go into explanation. Go watch the other video.
Going for another thrash. Let's go.
Let's hopefully. Last one was pretty shocking effort. Probably the worst run I've ever done. Not happy about it. So let's get some redemption. I got Jesse, my main man, back in hot crew. I think that's what I need. I need some
on. We got Oscar coming in.
Thank you, brother. Good luck. Yeah, bro. Good luck. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. The car's too much.
Smokey Films.
I snapped my exhaust hanger. Oh shit. New exhaust has a hole in the side of it.
On film, bro. On film.
On film.
That was supposed to be on my exhaust.
How you turn this off, bro?
This is Will. Will drives a MX-5 Miata. And how's that working for you at the moment?
It doesn't work.
No? Why?
I blew the gearbox. I was meant to drive, but I'll just steal this car instead.
Yeah.
Is that still happening?
Someone flipped tonight, so at least we're doing better than that.
Yeah, that's it.
There's like a car on fire.
All's happened.
Someone blew their diff, had to get
Had to
towed
get
out.
skull dragged out.
Yeah, dead set. It's hectic.
It's getting hectic.
Yeah.
Oh well, at least we didn't flip a car tonight.
Yeah, touch wood.
Not
Yeah,
yet. Not
yeah.
yet. Touch some wood. Yeah.
Alright guys, that was my last run for the night. We were supposedly inches off, which is pretty dope. Will, thank you for filming that for us. No Will is taking over the S15. Have you drifted an S15 before?
I have, yeah.
You loved it?
I did love it.
Let's have some
It
fun.
didn't have blown coilovers though.
Oh, does this have blown coilovers?
Yeah.
Insert clip. So let's do this, Will. Ciao! Yeah, baby!
think of the car? How'd it go?
Honestly,
It was pretty sketchy at the start. I definitely wasn't used to it at all. But after a couple laps, I sort of got the hang of it. Definitely needs coilovers. And maybe I'm used to driving a car with a bit more lock, so that was nice to get back in like a stockish car. And then it started misfiring, and it sort of up a bit. So, yeah, it wasn't too bad. I was happy with it.
So, Will just finished the last run. I let him have a last run because his car's broken. He absolutely killed it for learning a car within 4 minutes. The car decided to start misfiring heaps and also overheated. That's the first time this car's ever overheated on me. Welcome to Silvia life. They get you when you least expect it. I took it for a quick drive up and down just through the pits, and it's come down to normal temperature now, which is all good. Drive the car home. We'll go over it tomorrow, see if there's anything bad. Hopefully not, but I think it's, it's been getting thrashed all night. I think it's kind of, after 4 hours of drifting and sitting on Limmy quite a lot, I think it's going to get hot. So, fair bit of water as well, which is going to make more steam and stuff in there, get hot as well. But overall, the car held up great tonight. Get yourself a Silvia, and thanks for joining the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.